Hello, family. Welcome back to the channel, home of the RC community and home of the Patreon that offers the most value out there. Okay, if you're interested in the Patreon, the links will be in the description and in the comments. Okay, if you're interested, we have our pre-sales up today. Two of them that are already posted and pinned. Okay, so if you join the Patreon, you will already see that up there. Also, you get access to me. Okay, now if you want to get any kind of coaching, whether it be on crypto or business, okay, we can do that also. So those links will be in the description and in the comments, as well as the links for the merch out there. All right. So look, Saitama right now is still holding strong. We're still at that 6 million in volume, which is impressive. Okay, we've been there for most of the day. You would actually probably expect individuals to be doing some sell-off. Now we are seeing some sell-offs, but they are like less than 1%. All right, they're less than 1%, which means that a lot of individuals out there, a lot of the investors out there are really resisting, okay, selling their bags, okay, and that market cap is still looking strong. Now, tonight we are supposed to have a halt of all trading, okay? We're all supposed to have a halt of all trading, okay? So, hopefully it lines up, but if not, remember, everything is a process, because I also see some critics out there already starting to amp it up. They're talking about, will there be delays and all of that stuff. Look, like I told you, delays are like stepping stones. Okay, trust me, whatever delay there is with the Saitama team, they're learning from it. Okay, they get better from it. Every time they've had delays, they've gotten better from it. Like I said, we've got a good catalyst that came out of SAITAMASK 1, okay, which was the, them having a best defense system out there, as far as them like being able to get rid of bots and being able to get control the whales and control the hackers and all of that stuff. Because the thing is this, not a lot of those projects out there, okay, are catering to that. So we have taken care of that, and of course they brought that over to V2, okay, and V2 should be running smooth, and that catalyst along that defense system in V2 should do nothing but get better, okay, as those that 300 man team and man and woman team, okay, they spruce it up over time, okay. It should do nothing but get better. But I see a lot of the critics out there, they're starting to amp it up, okay, and like I said, they have not learned a lesson, because they got their tails kicked in SAITAMASK 1 when they kept bashing it. But like I said, none of them won't admit that we had a good catalyst that came out of that. Okay, but everything is going to be a process. All right, now some are already talking about they expect delays. All right, if they're up here already bashing this project, okay, because they're expecting delays and all of that stuff, they're just not. Their vision is small. Okay, their vision is shot. All they're doing is thinking about old news. Remember what I said. Look at a lot of the stuff that a lot of these critics out here, they make content on. If you look at their content, it's mostly recycled information. Okay, it's mostly recycled information that they are depending on the new investors, okay, to pay attention to make them seem relevant. Okay, because look, they already know that a lot of us that watch their content, they already know that we know that they're full of crap. Okay, for some of these critics out here, you can turn on their content and you can look at about 5 or 10 seconds, okay, of their content, and you can tell if it's going to be the same rehash stuff. Okay, they will not switch it up. And the reason why they will not switch it up is because Saitama has been on the road. Saitama has been making positive moves. Y'all know when Saitama is making a lot of positive moves, when that development team is making a lot of positive moves, okay, a lot of the critics, they do not want to hear about that. They don't want to make content on that, because number one, they've already built an audience, right, around bashing Saitama. So what do you think is going to happen, okay, when a lot of these critics out here make majority of their content, okay, praising Saitama? A lot of them are going to just lose their audience, okay, because that's not what that audience is there for. Okay, so you see a lot of individuals amping up for the FUD storm again, and I'm telling you right now, be prepared, okay, just in case some craziness happen. Because look, whether a delay happen or whether delays do not happen, somebody is going to be standing by. A lot of these critics are going to be on standby to try to dissect any positive or negative situation to pull anything out that they can make some negative content on. Okay, if it's negative, of course they're going to make negative content. If it's positive, they're going to try to dissect it to turn it into negative content out there. Not all of them do that, but you know, you have a good handful of individuals that do that. Okay, like I said, you have to give this project its due. All right, you have to give them their due. All right, and you know, look, a lot of individuals may not, a lot of the critics may not think that a lot of these catalysts, okay, will not help this project. Okay, they might think that the catalyst, these small catalysts may not help the project. But when you think about it, okay, at least this project right now is doing something. Okay, what you have to ask yourself when you look around the crypto space, who is doing more? Okay, it's like regardless if a lot of individuals think that certain catalysts, okay, you know, that's going on, like you know, like SATA Realty and other small catalysts within, you know, SATA Pro and all that will not help. It's crap and all of that stuff. Well, look, at least they're trying to do something. Look around the crypto space and tell me who's doing more. Who's doing more? I don't know anybody else that's doing more. Okay, so if the dev team can bring out a small catalyst, right, or partner with a small catalyst, at least they're doing something while everybody else is sitting on their hands. All right, so look, it's going to be, in my opinion, I think it's going to be an exciting week coming up. Okay, I know a lot of individuals are going to be on, I know a lot of individuals and investors are going to be on standby. We're going to have individuals up late, okay, because I think they're doing it. I'm not sure. I think they're, you know, the migration is supposed to fully take place, I think 12 Eastern or maybe UT time. Somebody correct me in the comments. All right, it's going to be look, Saitama Nation right now, the Saitama supporters right now, they're going to be up late. Okay, they're going to be up late waiting to see what happened. Okay, it's going to be a lot of great anticipation. We already know when things kick off, the migration. We're also going to have, you know, SATA Pro. This is going to be like right around the corner. So you're going to have a lot of individuals right now waiting around to download, okay, that SATA Pro app, or update the app to SATA Pro. Okay, we've been looking at a lot of the videos. Okay, the teaser videos, and a lot of individuals out there, okay, they're excited. They can't wait to get their hands on that new technology. And I think it's going to be something special because we have a lot of individuals, like I said, that have been working on SATA Pro. All right, now when SATA Pro also comes out, I do not believe that, okay, we're going to have a lot of those delay problems that we had on SAITAMASK, because remember we were kind of short staff on SAITAMASK. Okay, we only had like one people. I think they had some other individuals where they had to like outsource it and stuff like that. But right now we got manpower working with SATA Pro. And I think it's going to go a lot smoother. Even if we do have any kind of delays or any kind of like maintenance issues or anything like that, I do not believe it will be as long as the other delays were, because we have the manpower for that. All right, so you know, congratulations to everybody who have waited this long. You deserve this. I can't wait to see this technology right here. All right, and make content on it. A lot of us are going to be up off the late night, depending on where you live at. Okay, it's going to be most anticipated. Okay, and like I said, who else got anything going on? You can come out, you can bash this project all you want, but who else have anything going on? All I hear is crickets out there. All right, so I wanted to make this video. All right, and remember, every now will be history tomorrow, and you either have patience in this crypto investing space or you lose in the end. All right, and one other thing that I'm gonna start saying also at the end. All right, you have not lost your crypto unless you have sold. If your crypto is down, it's because your crypto is in a fluctuating market that is normal. You have not lost unless you sold. So if you sold at a loss, then you took a loss and you done lost. All right. So this is my video, and I will catch you all on the up and up. Howdy.